Hello there! Would you like to acquire a new skill or improve an existing one? If the answer is yes, then keep watching. Today, we're talking about MasterClass, an online education platform that offers over 150 courses across 11 categories. The classes are taught by top-notch talent from different industries like Martin Scorsese, Richard Branson, Ringo Starr, and more. But do the classes really live up to the hype? Let's find out. But before we do, remember to check out bestreviews.net for a more comprehensive review of MasterClass. Without further ado, let's get into it. MasterClass is an American e-learning platform that offers pre-recorded video lessons, which are generally between 2 and 30 minutes long. The platform is straightforward to use, meaning you can start a class immediately after signing up. Users get instant access to hundreds of classes on diverse topics via the browser version or the iOS or Android apps. Clicking on a video will bring you to the main page of a particular course where the number of lessons is indicated on the right-hand side. There's also a note-taking tool called My Notes to write down key ideas while streaming a lecture, and a bookmark tool to save and rewatch your favorite chapters. Although the courses are all in English, same language subtitles are provided to help students absorb information more efficiently. Each video includes a downloadable PDF workbook, and other materials like MP3 audio are sometimes offered. But what makes MasterClass so appealing is the star-studded list of instructors recognized for their skills, experience, and major contributions in their respective fields. MasterClass offers over 150 courses across 11 categories, including arts and entertainment, food, business, and more. If you're unsure where to start, you can begin by checking out a playlist, where you can learn one specific skill from a variety of award-winning personalities. There are about 4 to 8 video lessons per topic, which come from different classes, and you can also follow the full course content that each mentor teaches outside of the playlist. If you consider yourself to be more of a bookworm, head straight to the articles section where over 12,000 free reading materials are available. There are guides, blogs, reviews, and other written posts related to a category like food, business, wellness, and more. Most of the articles are prepared by MasterClass staff and are just as detailed as the video lectures. This is also a good starting point for students who wish to know a little more about a particular skill before starting a course. Once you finish reading an article, you can save it for future use by clicking the bookmark tool. But if hands-on lessons are your thing, then you'll benefit from trying out sessions. During 30 days, students follow a curriculum taught by a high-profile instructor through pre-recorded video lectures, complete individual projects, and receive continuous feedback from trained teaching assistants. It's also possible to communicate with other students by posting on the community page, meaning you can discuss your ideas with even more people to get valuable feedback on your project. What's also great about sessions is that it's included in your MasterClass subscription. And although only a few courses are currently available, there are enough to keep you busy for several months. MasterClass offers 3 subscriptions that are paid annually: individual, duo, and family. Although the annual payment might seem steep at first, you can get the most out of your subscription by completing as many courses as possible. All plans offer pretty much the same features, but upgrading to duo or family allows students to access the classes in offline mode and use several devices simultaneously. If you want to get a feel for the service before fully committing, check out the free online events on MasterClass Live. Although the sessions are not as detailed and well structured as the paid courses, it's still a good introduction to the platform. MasterClass doesn't offer free trials, but all plans come with a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. This allows anyone to ask for a refund if the service doesn't fit their needs. To find out more about how to try out the service risk-free for a whole month, visit our website at bestreviews.net. If you need any help, MasterClass is available 24/7 to answer queries via email. But if you prefer to speak to someone, you can contact support via phone from 8 AM to 5 PM on weekdays and 9 AM to 6 PM on weekends. For questions regarding refunds, enrollment, and how to redeem a gift, you should take advantage of the website's chatbot for immediate assistance. MasterClass is also very active on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and LinkedIn. But before contacting the company, we recommend checking out its comprehensive fact page for information about accounts, billing, and more. MasterClass is an easy-to-use online learning platform where students have access to hundreds of courses taught by industry legends and experts. The studio-quality video lectures are straightforward and engaging, which makes learning a new skill an extremely enjoyable experience. Even though there's no desktop software to install, there are still plenty of ways to access your classes, such as through the website or the iOS and Android apps. This e-learning platform is best suited for visual learners who want to pick up a new skill and who enjoy short but detailed video lessons hosted by top-notch talent from different fields. Not only will you learn valuable skills, but you'll also gain expert insight into your chosen industry. To learn more about what MasterClass can do for you, including how to try the service risk-free, visit our website at bestreviews.net.
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!